एअरबीएनबीन गोवा अनसीन राज्याच्या सांस्कृतिक खजिन्याच्या डिजिटल गायडाचे उक्तावण केले. गोयचे दोलायमान खोल रुजिल्ल्या सांस्कृतिक दायजाची कथा सांगपी गायड बुकाचे गोंयांत उक्तावण जाले.
Unseen Goa should be the unseen people in Goa. Coming here, I came to know Abhay is here for quite some time, and I was about to tell him that we need to discuss, and he says, I asked him, when did you come down? So he says, I've been here for quite a long time. So it talks about the volume and the type and the quality of people that have bought places in Goa or have called Goa as their home, but somehow the connect in spite of technology does not allow us to know who actually is in Goa. So next time when you do Unseen Goa, please do add that unseen people in this Unseen Goa. Story about Goa Beyond Beaches that we started from 2022, which slowly started getting Airbnb and everybody on board when we started talking about reforms policies and slowly moving across and trying to show that Goa has much more to explore.
I think what's nice is they're talking about places that I'm less aware of. People don't know much about certain places. Highlighting experiences that you won't perhaps see on a regular guidebook. Getting contributors from different fields and aspects who are active in Goa to contribute. I think that's nice.
So is it about the rural Goa or is it about the entire Goa? Regarding the book?
I think the book will keep evolving. It's not one edition, so it's going to cover, I think, more and more as the editions come up.
When it comes to Airbnb, Goa has always been a very, very special destination. It consistently has been the most booked destination, not just for domestic users but also for international users. In fact, for international users on our platform, and given that we are a global platform with over 220 countries presence, Goa is the #1 destination in terms of international guests coming into India, and we always see 20% growth in the nights booked year over year, both from domestic as well as from international guests. And what is behind this growth in Goa? It's the youth. Gen Zs and millennials are leading the charge in terms of travel to Goa. In fact, Gen Z, we've seen a growth of almost 60% year over year in terms of bookings on our platform. And when they travel, they love experiential stuff, and there is a lot that Goa has to offer. When they travel, they tend to travel in groups, and that's why they prefer a platform like Airbnb, because of the diversity of accommodation that is very authentic, very immersive, and still gives them a lot of private space to book.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, गौतमी गांवकार आनी मुजेफ शेख.